Today, I'm excited because we are doing a 2-liter video. And this 2-liter video is about the 2-liter girls that you do the splits. Now I could do the splits now. Well, these splits are so like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. And then I could also do this. And then I could go also do this. And then this. And then this. And then this. And then